All right, guys, simple Diag 2001 Subaru Outback 2.5. This one is no codes, right? Story was they were driving and car just cut off and it wouldn't start again. Then the mechanic called me out to do an electrical diag on this. He said there was no spark, so I did double check and I pulled the ignition coils, or rather the injector, and I did have power and grounds good there and pulse. I pulled both of these coils here, not coils but these wires, plugs, and I tested them and I have no spark. So my next target was this. Now on this one, the first cable here, which is cable 1, which is this green, red and green, is signal coming from the engine computer. The next one is key on power from fuse 11 under the fuse box in there. That is good. The next one is a constant ground, of course, and that is good. The last one is the opposite side power signal coming from the PCM as well. So these two outside cables are PCM supplied powers. So I went ahead and connected my scope up to those two while we were cranking the engine, and I'm going to show you here. As you can see, you're going to see the waves, the square waves, alternating from each side, each cable. So that means the engine computer is actually doing its job and sending out the signals to crank the car or to send spark. And we have constant power, good power with a test light on the second wire, which is our power, and also on the ground, which is the black wire. So that confirms that the problem is actually this, guys. So that's a no crank, no start fix on this Subaru. Anyway, if you didn't notice, now you know, and no one has had to battle. Click that thumbs up button, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.